Well, thank you so much for watching our tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you how to view the number of viewers or visitors that are visiting your website. In some cases, you can develop a website and you don't get inquiries, and you're asking yourself whether your website is online, is it active, are they viewing it? So worry not. Let me show you how you can view the number of visitors that are visiting your website. One, you need to have the cPanel details for your website. Cpanel is simply control panel. So what you do when you have the cPanel details, what you do, you go to your domain name in your URL, then you slash cPanel in order to access the what? The control panel. So when you put in that, it's going to display this interface of where you have to log in your username and password. So after you click on login, so when you log in, you have logged into the control panel. Hey, for our friends who are new, a control panel is where we upload our website files. So it has got many and numerous functions, as we're going to see. So today we want to know the number of visitors that are visiting our websites. So what you're going to do, you go to the section of metrics. Under the section of metrics, you're going to click on this this component of it's a powerful log file analyzer, and as you're going to see with this component, it enables us to view our daily visitors, monthly, and it gives reports. So when I click on it, what happens? When I click on the AWSTATS, Advanced Web Statistics, they're telling us it produces visual statistics about visitors for your website. So I'm going to go here, I click on view. When you click on view, it's going to load for you this interface. So this interface, what report do you want? Are you looking for January visitors, theme? So it gives you a report for every month. How many visitors, the unique visitors, the number of pages visited, the hits, the bandwidth used. So when I scroll down here, you're going to see that my report, it is organized in a professional way. It gives the statistics of the number of unique visitors, number of hits, the pages, the hits, and the bandwidth. So it is displaying the days of the month. So each day it gives you a daily report, weekly report, hourly report, as you can see. So guys, if you've been asking how you are able to view the number of people or visitors that are viewing your website, that's how you can do it. So don't forget one thing, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lule Sharif. Thank you so much for following. Share with your friend. God bless you.